I told y'all you never know what type of subscription box I'm gonna pull out of my hat, okay? So, oh my goodness. Oh my God, whoa. Y'all wait. Very cute packaging. America's #1 barbecue subscription box. Certified Pitmaster approved barbecue products, grilling tips, recipes, and deals. Monthly box for barbecue lovers on Instagram and Facebook every single day. I mean, they are heavy on the social media. And I love companies like that. I hate when they're like, follow us on social media and ain't nobody up there. Like, I'll be like, cuckoo, hello. In the box, you might get some barbecue sauces, dry rubs, marinades, mustards, hot sauces, grilling accessories, and much, much more. Let me show you what's in the box. Zesty Western marinade. This is for beef, wild game, fish, chicken, and veggies. And you just mix it with oil and vinegar. Cute. Ooh. The missing link spice rub. Chef crafted, restaurant inspired, Canadian made with international flavors. Love the packaging on this one. Super cute. Miner's Mix, original XXX garlic. And if you've noticed, these are hefty. They're not giving you sample sizes. Torch bearer sauces, pineapple, papaya, barbecue, fruity sauce. Like I said, look at this. Substantial. Oh, cool. I've been wanting one of these. One day I'm gonna show y'all how to make Miss P's salmon because Miss P's salmon is crazy. It's ridiculous. But I've been needing a cedar plank for my salmon when I put it in the, yes! Kaboom. I'm excited about this. This is so cute. But wait, this is the best part. The recipe card. Got your QR code. This way, whatever you're using, because they have a key. I love it. You know what you're gonna make with it. Because sometimes I be confused. I be like, now what I'm gonna use this spice for? This is a rub, but what I'm gonna rub it on? That's where the QR code comes in. Grill Masters Club introduces new flavors, techniques, and recipes to grilling, barbecue, and smoking enthusiasts who want to step up their game. Scan the QR code or visit the URL below for the ultimate barbecue experience. You get 10 recipes for the items in this box and learn more about this month's featured products and the companies behind them. That is fantastic. I love that because, you know, sometimes you like, okay, I think I want to try something, but I'm not sure which direction I'm gonna go in. But if you have 10 recipes, honey, this is a lot of rub and seasonings and sauce. You need all the recipes you can get. Big shout out to Grill Masters Club. Thank y'all so much. I appreciate it. I hope to work with you guys monthly. That would be fantastic because you can never have enough seasoning, sauces, rubs, and you never know. We might get Sweet Daddy sauce because you know my daddy got a sauce and a rub in a future Grill Masters Club. You know what I'm saying? Y'all stay tuned for some cooking.